Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we are installing our Jeep Wrangler units, brand new 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK. We did our backup camera that it goes to the back of the tire carrier. And that's the OEM fit unit that we have. As you can see, it's fully Android 7.1, fully touch. All the apps are here. You can go to Google Maps, you can go to Waze, you can enjoy the multimedia. This Jeep Wrangler is basically manual transmission. So by going to reverse, the screen shifts to backup camera. It's fully centered. Going to park goes back to normal mode. All the steering wheel control functioning same as before, nothing is changed. Also it comes with offline maps too, so by going to nav you can go to the offline maps. If you're interested to get these type of units, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can buy them online at 4x4shop.ca. Thank you and have a great day.